So, beautiful. Anywho, we're currently up the East Bank. Right, if you want to double it then in a day, then it's very sustainable. You're only looking to trade a day. But if you're looking to stay in the game for a long run, you need security. You need some type of, not really guarantee, but some type of system to provide that consistency that will keep you for a long time. So I was thinking that maybe price wanted to come back down here before pushing up. Now, price clearly didn't do that, but at the said time, wow, these birds really at it this morning. Yeah, just bear with me because they're singing. So, okay, dude. But on that live, one of the members of the group, Jeremy, he said something that really stuck to me. Somebody was asking a question of like, what would be the best risk to reward ratio? And Jeremy answered and said, we're in trading to make money, not to be right. Well, I mean, I could show y'all me and not look like a shadow, but you see the sky behind it looks just so, beautiful. Anywho, we're currently up the East Bank, going all the way up the highway, and we're actually on the way to shoot a music video for a friend. So we're bringing y'all along with the journey. Not always on the charts. That's always about life on and off the charts. Anywho, I am properly start the video. If you're new here, my name is Kevon Roach, and this is my channel where I share what it's like being a full-time trader on and off the charts. So that sounds like something interesting to you? Stick around, cause we got a banger video for y'all today. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing amazing today, and it's currently Tuesday, new week. I didn't record yesterday because we didn't have any trades yesterday. We had a massive drop in the markets on Sunday's open, as you can see here, and then had like a slight retracement on Monday, but I didn't see any like valid trade ideas, so I didn't place any trades. And today, currently, we had a push to the downside this morning, like at 9:30 a.m., and then immediately came back up and closed above the high that was formed before all that price movement and liquidity that was formed on Monday was taken. So we're just waiting for price to actually come back down and give me an entry. It's possible that it could come back right here on the 15 at 21,239. But if I drop down to the 5-minute, you'll see here that that's just previous liquidity. 21,239 doesn't really have any gaps on the 5-minute, but below it there's one at the entry at 21,186. And I also sent this buy limit out to the community as well. So just giving y'all that quick update, not too much to discuss here. Same strategy as always. I was thinking though that if I get a close below here and it's nice, kind of looking nice right now, I could possibly take the sell to the downside up until the entry. But let's see. If I do that, I'm gonna open up the camera and give you guys, you don't even see me. If I do that, I'm gonna open up the camera and give you guys that update, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So we're back, and it's the new day. It's a brand new day, the day after yesterday. We did not have any trades yesterday, as you can see. Hold on, now you can see on the charts. We're on a 15-minute chart for Nas100, by the way, and this marking that we have here, it looks like a very good trade, 234 pips and everything, but I did not enter this trade. Multiple reasons. Let's drop down to the 5-minute and maybe I can give you a better explanation there. Alright, so here we are on that lovely trade that could have more than likely bring me out to drawdown, right, if I took this trade, but I was waiting on confirmation. Now this trade is actually according to my strategy. It's just that I was waiting on confirmation for the buy limit that I sent out to the community, but otherwise I would have entered this trade upon this candle's close, the 10 a.m. candle close. Yeah, so I would have been either at the tip here or when it come back maybe like halfway into the candle, and then I would have been in this trade. Now here's the thing, I didn't take this trade because there are times when a retracement happens but I'm caught too high in the move, right? And sometimes I'm able to catch a lower entry once the price retraces, but other times if the price goes straight to the stop loss, then I have a larger loss. That's one. Other times the buy limit entry or the second entry would not get activated, so I'd just be left in that one trade with large risk, and I'd be holding it for longer than I would have otherwise held the trade if I got it at a better entry. So I was thinking that maybe price wanted to come back down here before pushing up. Now price clearly didn't do that, but at the said time, wow, these birds really at it this morning. Yeah, just bear with me because they're singing. So what can I do? Yeah, so I didn't want to take that risk yesterday. Regardless though, the price actually went full on in our favor. Confirmation on the higher time frame was also not there in my favor, because we had this sweep here of liquidity and the impulsive move, but absolutely no retracement into that fair value gap. It's still open. So alright, we're here, brand new morning, it's Wednesday. The pending order is still there for yesterday, so if the price chooses to come down today and tag us in, then shoot back up for some strange reason, then hey, I'm grateful for that. But yeah, we're still actively looking at the market. Today we have a live with the community at 9:15 a.m. New York time, 10:15 in Guyana, so I need to prepare for that. Oh, and also a heads up for those who like interested in learning about Forex, and you know, you would like to be in a community of like-minded individuals while you learn, especially people from the Caribbean, you know, there's the link to the beginners group. We started doing 2 lives per week with the beginners group on Wednesday and Friday, 7 p.m. So we'll be answering like questions. I'm saying we because it's not me alone, it's like 6 other mentors in there as well, and they're all individuals who have been trading for a while. We can't claim to know everything because we don't, but with the information that we know, the knowledge that we have, and once we combine it and we're able to share it, then those who were interested in learning about Forex and had no like direct source to learn from besides random YouTube videos, yeah, you'd benefit from asking questions, being able to interact with us, all the tips and tricks that we've learned and the things that we do to make trading a bit more easier, stuff like brokers, how we deposit, withdraw, especially from the Caribbean, where the deposit and withdraw process is not as simple and straightforward as it is in other parts of the world. Yeah, we vibe in the beginners group, and we also have the GTFX chat room. That's for like persons who, you know, already got the hang of trading. I don't want to call us professionals because I view myself as a professional and everybody else views themselves as a professional. But in Forex, if you are going to claim the professional title, you really need evidence. You know, you need hard evidence to back it up. A prop firm certificate or a payout might do a thing, but it to me is not enough. Right? Having a prop firm payout or a certificate is really and truly not enough to call yourself a professional. You can call yourself certified, but the professional has to do with the years, it has to do with the knowledge, the know-how. So I might call myself a professional, but somebody else who has more years and more knowledge than me might not see it that way. And to me, they would be a professional, and so on and so on. But yeah, we have experienced traders with the knowledge that they've gained throughout their trading journey, and you know, it's just a community of like-minded individuals where you'll be able to learn and grow together. So if you're interested in that, you could just tap on the links in the description, and you know, yeah, let's get it, cause we're in overdrive now. Every week I'm gonna be adding something in that provides more value to both you, the YouTube audience, and my Telegram community and my Instagram community. Everybody is going to be seeing the value. So yeah, for right now, we don't have a trade. It's 8:30 in the morning. It's an hour before we actually look for trades. I'm going to keep the chart open, going to keep monitoring the price, and the minute I find something, I'm going to come back in and give you all that update. Oh, before we do that, for those who've been following the $50 to $100 challenge, The first 2 trades that we took on this account right here were L's, and then we had 1 win on Friday, I believe, bringing the total balance back up to 40. So we're about $10 down. No worries. I ain't rushing this. This is a process, right? If you want to double it then in a day, then it's very sustainable. You're only looking to trade a day. But if you're looking to stay in the game for a long run, you need security. You need some type of, not really guarantee, but some type of system to provide that consistency that will keep you for a long time. And that is what I'm trying to teach here. I'm not trying to illustrate that you can deposit 40 and then double it to 80 and then double it to 160. That's more than possible, but it's also likely that you're going to lose all of your money sometime. Even if you make it all the way up to 18,000 and you're looking to double it to 36,000, one of the times you're going to lose all of your money because you're doubling it. The approach that I take is a more slow but consistent approach where you're growing by compounding and you're risking a fixed percent. So as your account grows, the percentage that remains constant also grows in dollar amount as your account gets larger. So we're going to be teaching that around these parts. We're going to be, not adding to people's stress in the life, not trying to make their heartbeat skip an extra couple seconds. We're just being calm. We're chill guys. We're chill guys and girls around here, We don't rush things. We don't fight the process. We just go with the flow and allow time to do its thing. So, since time gotta do its thing anyway, I'm going to let it and come back and give you guys that update once we have a possible trade opportunity. Alright, so we're back. But I've been titivating with the camera. 2 things. This whole time I get a 4K camera by exporting in 1080p, that's 1. 2, I didn't fully understand the settings of the camera. I don't know if you could see the footage looks a bit different right now, but your boy been learning. I can see myself with a little bit more color. So it's Thursday and we're here on the charts. As you can see, I currently have up the $50 account, the Black Bull account, the challenge account that I'm trying to take to $100. Quick update on that. The balance is, what's the balance? $53.58. So if you guys could remember, this balance was actually down to like $33 from $49. This balance was actually down to $33 from $49. So we back up. In fact, I am currently more positive than the account has ever been because I think I deposited like 50, but it came up to like $49 because of transaction. I was using USDT. So yeah, this is the situation here. And for those of you who pay extra keen attention, you'll notice that it's currently 8:51 New York time. And you might be saying again, Roach, you break your rules. You said to us you only trade after 9:30 in the AM, yet you are currently at 8:51 in the AM and you already have a trade. So that means you just opened this trade. This means this trade has been open. And if you made that observation, first of all, I'd like to tell you to mind your business. Second of all, you're right. Yes, I did break my rules and it's not something that I am proud of. But last night I was a part of a meeting that we started hosting with the beginners community. Shout out to you if you're a member of the beginners community and you're watching this video. But on that live, one of the members of the group, Jeremy, he said something that really stuck to me. Somebody was asking a question of like what would be the best risk to reward ratio, and Jeremy answered and said, we're in trading to make money, not to be right. And that's something that really resonated with me because I kind of prefer being right more than making the money. And it's good for my ego, but at the same time, it's not good for my bank account, and as much as I would like to be right, I would also like to make money and survive and be free to do the things that I want to do. So it's good to have rules, it's good to follow your rules, and it's also good to know when to just accept what the market is giving you. You cannot be a robot when it comes to trading. You can try to control the way you react to your emotions, but it's not possible to be a robot in trading. So with all that being said, I decided that this morning I saw a pretty good, according to me, trade opportunity. At least it was looking like a good trade opportunity at the time. We can do it right here on this chart where I'll show you. We had this push up to the upside yesterday and a slight pull back, taking out recent lows. Then we had a push to the upside, but not strong enough to actually take any highs and close above it, because if you notice right here, there are two highs that were left open, being this high and this high, and price came up, took those highs but didn't close above them, and then immediately dropped. When it dropped, it also took out the low that was farmed before these two highs were broken. So if you know my strategy, I wait for the low that was farmed before liquidity was taken to be broken, and if it's broken impulsively with a close like it was here. Oh, I can't get these things to just disappear. Alright, I guess not. I'll have to look over here. So we had this push right here that was below this low, right? We had this first push that just wicked, it didn't close, it came back up and then had a further push below that low. So the importance of this first low was now transferred to this low, and it was broken impulsively with one candle close below it and two, well actually it was just one candle close below it, and then this candle came back up into it. What I was watching at though was this first low and how this candle closed below it, this candle closed below it, and this candle closed below it as well. But what I'm now paying attention to is the importance of that first low was actually transferred to this low. So if we're classifying this low as the low that needs to be broken with a full close, then we actually don't have a full close, because this bear candle closed below it, but this bullish candle went directly back into the zone. So now that I have reanalyzed the market, which you guys right here in front of me is seeing me be wrong live, and that's cool, that's okay. Initially when I marked up this trade, I was thinking maybe a 1-to-1 would be cool, because if you'll notice right here at 21,450, there's the beginning of a fair value gap that is untouched. Now this price action almost got it, but it still didn't quite touch that fair value gap. So if price should choose to come down, we might see it react at this zone right here. So let me just place an alert just in case, because I'm not sure if price is gonna come down. It kind of does look very uppity, but yeah, that's the situation. I also have this trade open across all of the other accounts. What's going on with the price right now? Cause it kind of looked a little uppity. There it is, it's uppity and it took me out. Brand new. January is not looking like January, bro. Obviously I entered this trade before my time of day where I actually entered trades, and so I ain't so upset at it. Like, even though everything aligns, the low that was broken, the liquidity was taken, the impulsive close, the fair value gaps, everything aligns. The one, and to me most important thing that did not align was time. And I'm very annoyed that this happened, but happy that I got to record it and show you guys what happens when you don't wait on your rules, when you don't allow everything to line up that's in your system. For me, that is trading after 9:30. That is not opening a single trade before 9:30 in the AM. I was reminded why I had that rule, right? Because last night was very annoying, and for me to have this loss right now is even more annoying. It's a couple cherries on top annoying, and I'm glad I got to document this. I believe this feeling is good. You know, I'm feeling all types of emotions right now, and it's good that I'm feeling this way, because I would very much like to avoid feeling this way again. So I know what I must do to avoid feeling this way again. Obviously I'm not gonna close the video right here, even though I've been rambling for probably the last 20-25 minutes or something. What we did? Damn. Yeah, I'm not gonna close the video here. It's gonna be a long ass video, but I'm going to come back and give you guys another trade, a trade that's according to my rules this time. And whether we win or lose, I'm just gonna give you that full transparent of the life of a full-time trader from the Caribbean. Hey, this is what it's all about. So yeah, more than happy to bring you the raw uncut footage. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and give you all the updates. It's cut, it's a lot of cut, but hey. Given the fact that I preach this, that we should learn how to control the way we react to our emotions. We can't control the emotions, but we should try to control the way we react to them. And so far today, Nas has been really getting to me, and my control over that emotion thing, or the way I react to my emotion, is dwindling. But I'm in my second position for Nas thus far. Here comes the airplane. Yeah, I can hear me talk to it because I ain't really feel like pausing right now. Your boy Lil, you know. So this price has been fondling around my stop loss for the past 15 minutes now, and it looked like it can go. It just went halfway in my favor. Took out just a fucking candle. It didn't even take out liquidity, just took one candle and then started going back up, bro. So it was against me, then it went in my favor, and now it's going back up, and it looks like it's consolidation for some reason. I was caught in. I waited until 9:30 to actually enter this trade, but the trade it's still playing itself a stunt. I don't know if it's consolidation or if they can just take me out and then come back, but I'm gonna open the camera if so be the case once I'm out of the trade, and that will be the last trade that I'm taking for today, because I'm sticking to my rules now again. 9:30 and only 2 trades, so yeah. Not even a fucking minute after. Oh my freaking gosh. Here we are, 2 L's side by side, $30 lost on each of the accounts. That's about 6 threes. This is $180 on 96K in funding. It's not the amount, trust me, it's really not the amount. I could lose 10 more like this, bro. It's the way that I lost these trades, bro. It's avoidable. The first one, definitely avoidable. The second one, this is news. Yeah, we actually do have a news release at 9:45. That's Euro and US, 9:30 US, and maybe it affected the movement of the price. But that's definitely gonna be it for me today, and definitely gonna be it for this video. Oh my freaking gosh, I sound so down and dragged, but hey, this is the reality of it. I am not going to pretend as though I'm happy, because I am not. I am pretty pissed. All these 3 trades, matter of fact, this whole week is just, I deleted those artists that didn't activate, but this whole week has been trash, right? It's Thursday, it's the second to last day for the week, so I don't know, and I'm not placing any more trades today, so clearly anything will piss me off. So before I start, you know, let me end the video, and I'm definitely going to come back and catch you guys in the next one. If you made it this far, a sub and a like right now would go far away for you, boys. So hey, I'll catch you in the next one, man. Peace.